What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this razor. This is a carrying case for it. Very nice. Ooh. Stainless steel. Leave it in water. Don't have to worry about rust. And it has a weight to it. Very flexible. So it should go with your head very well. Got a razor stand. There goes the bottom of the stand. And I like it, you guys. Stainless steel. Fits right on in. All right. Just like that. Or you can put it the other way, however you want to put it. But you can't put it this way because it won't fit. They give you plenty of blades. Double-edged blade. Okay. And they said it's about 20 of them. This is so light. All right, so there you go. Just be careful with your hands. Did I remind y'all to watch out for your hands? It's like I feel the sharpness. All right. Fold it. We fold it in half. You put the first layer on. So the first layer will go on to this part, just like that. All right. So you see these pins right here? This is how you put the second one on. Pin here and the pin here. It should sit right on the pins, okay? Don't angle it too far down. So you see how it's sitting right on the pins? Close it. And then you have your double blade. All right, you guys. So we are done. Everything is cut. Shower is good. Everything's all good. Now, last thing I'm going to do is put some cocoa butter on, you guys. My wife said I need cocoa butter. Put something on. Don't need to be ashy, right? So that's it, you guys. It's very smooth. Very, very smooth. Even my face. I might start shaving my face now, you guys. Before I wasn't shaving my face. I might start shaving it. All right? But that will be it. I'm going to put some cocoa butter on. My wife told me to put this on. So put some cocoa butter on.